Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, trip insurance quote. How is price calculated? Well, trip insurance is something that more and more travellers take each year. In the US alone, there are 3 billion in annual sales and over 3 million internet searches. We've been asked by many customers how we build and price a trip insurance quote. Well, here goes. Each insurance carrier that we partner with is responsible for building a set of travel insurance products. Now, these products are sometimes referred to as plans. You may have heard of an insurance plan. Well, it's the same thing as an insurance product. The insurance carrier files these plans with the insurance commissioner in each state that they wish to sell the plans in. And each state will have slightly different ways of filing, so there may well be slight differences between a plan that is offered in California versus one that's sold in Florida. That is why we always ask where a traveller is resident. We need to show the correct plan for the state of residence. Now, each plan will have a set of benefits associated with it, cancellation benefits, medical benefits, etc. The insurer decides the costs associated with those benefits based on previous experiences and its operational costs and desired profit. Finally, it adds on a distribution cost. Costs will differ based on a number of factors that include destination, age of traveller, cost of vacation or trip, and time away. Well, let's look at those. Firstly, destination. Some destinations have expensive healthcare systems. If a traveller does get sick and require medical support, costs can vary. For instance, the US has by far and away the most expensive healthcare system in the world. Also, if a traveller falls very sick, they may well need to be medically evacuated home. So countries that are a long way from the US have higher costs when bringing a patient back home. Next, we have age. Well, older customers do tend to engage in less boisterous activity, but they can also be prone to healthcare problems. So generally speaking, older customers are more expensive to insure. Then we have price. An expensive trip has more risk to an insurance carrier if a cancellation requires a full rebate, so insurance costs will be higher. And then we have duration. Finally, the longer the trip, the more expensive the insurance will be. Now, when we add all these elements together, this gives us the trip insurance quote that each carrier charges for each of its plans. And as always, at AARDY.com, we recommend that a traveller consider travel insurance whenever they're travelling away from home. You can get an anonymous quote in seconds and compare dozens of the top travel plans from many of the largest US travel insurers, saving you time and money finding the right plan for your needs. And remember, insurance plans in the US are filed, including the price, so you can't and won't find the same plan cheaper anywhere else. Safe travels.